If the health crisis has left your dealership struggling with inventory levels, I might have a solution to help you quickly get your hands on the best quality pre-owned vehicles available at the moment. I mean, it does look like the lack of new inventory situation will last for a while, and the pre-owned vehicles found at the auctions are, for lack of better words, and to stay polite, quite crappy. So, where are these pre-owned gems? Well, your current customers are driving them. Your dealership sold them, financed them, serviced them. There's literally no other place to get better cars, trucks, SUVs, and crossovers to navigate the inventory crisis. But let's ask ourselves a tough question. How many times can you go to your existing customers with the same boring request without creating some level of aggravation? That's why here at Turbo, we've come up with a few fun ways to approach your customers with the "we need your vehicle" message. Maybe you like a more conservative approach. No problem, our Quest for Trades campaign is the perfect fit. Maybe you want to put a little excitement in the mix. Then our Spin to Win or the Match 3 and Trade campaigns would put a smile on all your customers. Or maybe you want to use your efforts to increase the social media conversations in your market. Well, fantastic. Our InstaTrade campaign will have you pick the perfect trade-ins while growing your social media domination all over town. Best of all, these campaigns can be launched in 48 hours or less and can even have a conquesting component if that fits your objectives. I'll make sure to put the link to all of these underneath the video. But if you're in a jam and need action today, don't despair, because our SMS and ringless voicemail campaigns can allow you to have meaningful conversations with interested prospects in as little as 30 minutes. And now you know why our name is Turbo Marketing and not Donkey and Carriage Marketing. If you would like me to walk you through any of these options, click on the link underneath this video and book your 15-minute conversations using my online calendar. I'll show you under the hood so you have everything you need to make an educated decision. Like I love to say, let's sell some cars. Or in this case, let's buy some trades.